brown skin girl. Skin just like pearl. It's the best thing in the world.
Okay, y'all, so what I'm about to do now is I'm about to just moisturize my face with my Dove cream. Y'all know I love this. So let's get started because my face is feeling ashy. Okay, you hear me? I like to put some underneath my eyes because that's where I like to moisturize too. And my skin is like not really oily. It just depends. Sometimes it's oily, sometimes it's dry. It depends. It's more dry in the winter time anyway.
On Saturday, staying close to mom, of course. The baby walks around meeting fellow giraffes, getting to know its kind of new surroundings.
Moisturize, baby. Okay, and now I'm about to put something on my lips until just so they can stay moisturized as well, not dry. I'm about to use this lip gloss that I have, just natural plain lip gloss. It's from Samaya's Kisses. It's at my son's school. Yep, Samaya's Kisses. I met the girl at my son's school. Her mom started a black-owned business for her. Okay, which is awesome. And this lip gloss is amazing. It's lightweight, not sticky. And it does the job. Don't want no ashy lips, y'all. So right now what I'm gonna do is put on my lashes. Did y'all subscribe to my channel? Make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell. Thank you. I appreciate it. Thank you to all my 100 subscribers. I think it's 111 right now if I'm not mistaken. Thank you to all the people that subscribe to me within that short of time frame. Like, I appreciate y'all. Thank y'all. The love is definitely felt. So let's get started. What you need is, of course, lashes. I'm putting on some lashes that I had put on already. I just took them off. I want to reapply them. And I'm going to use my glue because eyelash glue does not work for me. Use what works for you. This works for me. It always has worked for me. Some of my black women, y'all know what's up. This works. And then I use my spoolie. I actually use the end of my spoolie to dip in the glue, place it on the lash. But I sometimes do this first to get my lashes out the way. A lot of snow. Ooh. Then I use my tweezers so that I can grip the lashes, of course. So let's do the first one. This is my second time wearing these lashes. I've been keeping them on reserve. So I just grip the lashes in the middle. As you can see, I grip the lashes here. Like so. And I just get a little bit of glue. Put on my lash case. This is my lash case, I should say. I got this from a girl from Secret Santa last year. See, as you can see, I've been applying lashes. She need to throw these lashes out. These are old. Ain't gonna work no more, baby. So then I just put the glue there, like on any spot there, because it comes off. So and I take my spoolie, like I said, and I dip it in the glue like so, and I apply it here along the lash strip. Like so. Then you ready to go. Blow on it a little bit. I'm gonna use my mirror by the crayon case. Love them. And I'm gonna apply. So here we go. I put it right there. And then I adjust it, just going across. I put it below, right above my real lash line. I hold it in the corner for a second because you know how the corners get you. Like, if y'all know y'all put on some lashes, them corners will fuck you over. So, I just take my tweezers and press. Make sure it's and sometimes I take my nails, my hands and press as well. And then while I'm pressing from the bottom as well so that I can make sure any excess glue that is underneath is not sticking to my bottom. So I can open my eye. All right. And just like that, y'all, that lash is applied. You're gonna be blinking all day. Normally I just have like a fan going so that it'll just dry up, but I ain't going nowhere right now, so it's gonna dry. Now let's apply the second lash. I'm already looking a little yeah. Alright, and then let's repeat the process like I said. But you want to make sure you get enough on there so they will not fall off. So you will have them secured at least for the whole day until you sleep, because you don't want to be out nowhere and your lashes is hanging off. It's noticeable. Trust me. And let's apply. Same method. Get them corners first, line it up, and then press it in. touch that. All right. And that lash is applied. And there you go. That's how I apply my lashes. Yeah, I like them. Make sure you comment, like, subscribe. Make sure you let me know, shoot, if you feel like I'm doing something wrong, if you got better tips, just let me know down below. Comment. Everything I use will be in the description box. And I hope you guys have a great Tuesday morning. Stay warm, Minnesota. All right.
Hey, feeling good, like I should.